daily bias this, draw on liquidity that. I think I've evolved past these concepts. I think now all I really give a fuck about is if price interacts with my point of interest. For example, let's say you have a ton of ICT people saying, "Oh, the draw on liquidity is like triple equal lows." So what? What if we don't hit the equal lows? Are you just gonna keep shorting until we hit it? That's what you motherfuckers did last Friday, and that's why you kept losing. I think point of interest is all that matters. You have your points of interest, you mark them out on your chart. Hopefully, above price and below price, you have points of interest that, when interacted with, you can execute a position on. Draw on liquidity doesn't matter. Bias doesn't matter. The candles don't give a fuck about where you think it's going. The only thing you can know is if price at this point in time is going to interact with your point of interest. And if it does, you execute your trade, you go for a certain amount of points, or you try to, find a good draw on liquidity, maybe, like the nearest low, the nearest high, things like that. But you're listening to all these like arbitrary things like session draws on liquidity, Asia low, London low, blah, 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 blah. Like none of these things matter. They're all arbitrary, taught by this guy. Like, how do you even know they're real? Just execute on your points of interest. Okay?